2010 Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortec 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled 6-speed automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, remote power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, trip computer, tachometer, daytime running lights, tilt steering wheel, heads-up display, power heated outside mirrors, privacy glass. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.